What's up, guys? Your boy Biggie here coming at you. Happy Friday to each and every one of you. I want to start this video by giving a huge shout out to my boy Jesse. Jesse, thank you very much for hitting me up today, bro. I'm very thankful. I owe you big time, bro. So today has been the most successful pet hunting experience to date. Picked up a lot of cool stuff. I hope you guys like it. So without further ado, let's roll. First piece is this awesome 2019 Subaru Forester. Check this out, guys. Very cool. This is from the new case. I found these at Walmart. So hit your Walmarts, guys, if you're interested. Next one up is this awesome 1962 Mercedes-Benz 220 SE. Very cool. Next one up, Mustang Hunter. I know you're gonna like this one, brother. This is the awesome 2019 Ford Mustang Coupe. Check this out. Kind of looks like a red edition, but it's not. It's a very cool casting, and those red wheels look pretty sick as well. Next one up is this awesome Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet. This is a recolor. The first one came out in white, or a pearl white, if I'm not mistaken. Now we have it in black. It's got a gray interior. Pretty cool. Check out the details on the front there and the back as well. Very nice. Next one up is this awesome 2020 Honda E. So you know that the E stands for electric. So check out the details on the front, guys. Very cool. Next one up is this awesome Volkswagen GTI. Check this out, guys. This thing is sick, man. Very cool. Next one up is this awesome Toyota Hilux pickup. It looks like a Honda Ridgeliner, but it's not, guys. As you can see, it's a Toyota, and it also says so right there. So yeah, they look very similar, but in my personal opinion, I like this one much better. I'm a big fan of the Toyota brand when it comes to trucks. So very cool. Next one up is this old school 1985 Toyota 4Runner. Check this out, guys. Very cool. It's got that number 85 on the doors. It's got some light tinted windows all around. It's got a sunroof. Very cool. Check that out. Now let's move on to some Hot Wheels. Here we have the M-Case Batplane. This one is much nicer than its predecessors. As you can see, it's got those red lines around it, so pretty cool. So it stands out much better than the other ones. Very cool. I also picked up this awesome AMC Rebel machine. Check this out, guys. This thing is sick. Can't go wrong with muscle cars, man. Next one up is this awesome 1985 Honda CRX. Check that out, guys. Check out those decals. Very cool. Next one up, Porsche Taycan Turbo S in a nice burgundy color. This thing is sweet, man. Check this out, guys. Very cool. Look how nicely done the tail lights are. Very cool. I'm so happy I found it. Next one up is this awesome 1999 Honda Civic Type R. Wow. Look how nicely done this is, guys. Check out those tail lights. It's got a nice red interior. It's got some medium tinted windows. Check out the front detail. This thing is sweet. It's got some white wheels on it. Very, very cool. Next one up is this awesome 1987 Buick Regal GNX. Check this out, guys. This thing is beautiful, man. As you can see, it comes in a nice red color. It's got some dark tinted windows, a black interior. Very cool. It says Black Widow right there. Very, very nice. Next one up is this awesome 1967 Camaro with the worldwide decals on the sides. Now we have it in gold. The previous release was in white. Very, very cool. Next one up is this awesome 2019 Kia Stinger GT. Check out the taillight detail. Very cool. Next one up is this awesome 2019 Audi R8 Spyder convertible. Very, very cool. It's got some nice details all around. Check out the taillight detail. Very cool. And it's got some nice details on the front as well. Next one up is this awesome Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02. This thing is beautiful, man. Very, very cool car. It's got the cool panoramic view. Very nice. Check out the front detail. Awesome, awesome casting, guys. Highly recommend it. Next one up is the Mario Standard Cart. Hey, it's me, Mario. Very, very cool. Next one up is this awesome 2021 Ford Bronco. Now we have this in orange, as you can see. It's got some pretty cool details. Check out that spare tire back there. Very nice. You can see that it says Bronco on the grill, so pretty cool. Very, very nice. I'm telling you guys, today was a very good day for me, man. I'm very, very stoked. This is the 1998 Subaru Impreza Z28 STI version. This is a recolor. This has come out in blue, red, or burgundy, and I believe black, if I'm not mistaken. But anyways, guys, this thing is sweet. Check out those gold 5-spoke rims. Very, very cool. Check out the detail on the back. Check out the front details. The headlights are nicely done. This thing is sweet, man. Next one up is the LB Works Lamborghini Huracan Coupe. JD, you weren't kidding, man. This thing is freaking sweet, man. Very, very cool. I also found this awesome custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. This is a recolor as well. I believe there's a gray one, like a charcoal gray, and then there's a black one, and now we have it in red. They're all very cool, but personally I like it in red much more. Same decals and everything, it's just a color variation. Very, very cool. Mustang Hunter, I know you're gonna love this one as well. I'm sure you'll find it, buddy. If not, you know what to do. Just hit me up. If I spot another one, I'll be happy to send it to you, brother. I also picked up another Nissan Silvia S13. Very, very cool. This thing is sick, man. You can't go wrong with red. Just like the Mustang Hunter said. I love the white wheels on it, tinted windows. It's got some nice detail on the back. Lacks some detail on the front, but it's all good, man. Those details are easy to fix. So very, very cool. Next one up is this awesome Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. So you could see it's got the cool IWC racing decals, man. This thing is freaking sweet, guys. It's got the number 68 on the hood and on the door. This thing is awesome. All right, guys, the next one up is the GT Scorcher. This is a fantasy casting, but you know, it looks pretty cool. I usually don't pick up fantasy castings unless they really catch my eye, and this is definitely one of those cars. I'm also a big fan of the Hot Wheels race team decals, and as you can see, this car definitely has them, so I'm adding it to the collection. So the next one up is the Erikstein rod. This is another fantasy casting. It's all good. This one is very cool. I love the color variation. It's got a lot of detail. Like I said, guys, I usually don't collect fantasy castings, but there's some castings that really stand out, like this one. So I'm gonna welcome it to the collection, man. The next one up is the Tesla Cybertruck. Check this out, guys. This thing is sweet, man. This is one of the castings that was highly anticipated by a lot of collectors. This one is gonna be flying off the shelves or the pegs, whatever the case may be. Very cool casting, guys. Really dig it, man. I hope you guys find it. I really do. The next one up is the 1967 Ford GT40. Now we have this in yellow. We've seen it in many colors. Anything in yellow looks pretty cool. So check out the details on the front. It's got the number 1 right there on the hood, just between the headlights. It also has the number 1 on the doors. And it's got another number 1 there. It's got some cool racing stripes. Very cool. I also picked up another Disney Steamboat. I promised my wife if I found another one, I was gonna hook her up. So today's her lucky day as well. Now she has one and I have one. Next one up is the 2017 Camaro ZLT in blue. Very cool. The previous color was orange, if I'm not mistaken. So this one looks pretty cool. It's got the cool little racing stripes. Nice black interior. It's got the number 17 representing the year of the vehicle. Very, very cool. All right, guys. So this is the 2010 Pro Stock Camaro. This is a Kroger exclusive. Very, very cool. Here's another Kroger exclusive. This is the Erikstein rod in purple. This thing is sick, man. So here's another Kroger exclusive, the Big Air Ballard Gasser. Very, very cool. All right, guys, are you ready for this? Let's go. So here we have the regular treasure hunt. This is the 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck. Check this out, guys. I couldn't believe it when I saw it, man. Very, very cool. Got the treasure hunt logo right there. This thing is sweet. All right, guys, here comes the moment of truth. Are you ready? Bang, guys. I found the 2019 Audi R8 Spyder Super Treasure Hunt. Check this out, guys. I was completely in awe when I saw it, man. I couldn't believe it. These things are so hard to find. So I'm so happy to have this in my collection. Very, very cool. So this was my haul of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. Have an awesome weekend. God bless you guys. Be kind to one another. Happy hunting out there. Deuces.